Even though the cryptocurrency market as a whole saw negative flows last week, with Bitcoin and Ethereum experiencing $73 million in outflows, XRP investment products saw minor inflows. By the way, with the purchase of Fortress, a financial institution, Ripple has added yet another license to its 30+ licensed territories, bringing the total to over 30. In addition, in the top 10 countries with the greatest number of XRP holders, at 75,000. Finally, have you considered what else could drive up the price of XRP like the legal win did? Well, I'll be dishing those out in today's video, so be sure to watch until the end to find out more. Watch this brand new video right now if this is something that interests you. Greetings, and thank you for tuning in to our channel, where we discuss breaking news in the XRP community and the cryptocurrency industry at large. We'd like to extend a warm welcome to everybody who is checking out one of our videos for the first time. The newest volume of the Digital Asset Fund Weekly Flow Report was released, and the leading digital asset investment manager, CoinShares, shared the news with investors. The gloomy market sentiment is highlighted in today's report release. The report's findings reveal that investment products related to cryptocurrencies saw outflows of $59 million. This is the fourth straight week of withdrawals and a 426% rise from the prior week's outflows of $11.2 million. Most notably, the most recent number shows that $294 million has left digital asset investment products during the past 4 weeks. Looking at the numbers more closely, Bitcoin saw the most outflows last week, totaling $68.9 million. At the same time, Ethereum's $4.8 million was the second highest. There was a total of $73.7 million in withdrawals from Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. On the other hand, XRP investment products saw modest inflows during the past week. There were net inflows of $0.7 million into XRP-related investment vehicles. In the week prior to August 25th, earlier XRP statistics also showed positive flows, totaling $0.5 million. Despite the legal complications and SEC litigation surrounding Ripple, the upward trend in XRP has persisted. You may remember that the SEC had made a formal request to appeal the ruling in favor of Ripple's. The agency recently stated that this decision was made due to complex legal issues. Meanwhile, the storm now affecting the market may be responsible for the $59 million in withdrawals from the broader crypto scene. Total cryptocurrency market capitalization is down 2%. BTC and Ethereum have fallen by 1.47% and 2.82%, respectively, over the past 24 hours. The largest volume of flows from digital asset goods occurred in Germany. Germany's figure is $20 million, with Canada's at $17.6 million, making it the second highest. Investment product providers etc. in the United States lost $12.3 million. The largest weekly outflows and product sales occurred at Issuance GmbH, a renowned digital asset investment company based in London, last week, at a total of $23 million. A total of $100 million to $4 million has been invested in various digital asset investment products so far this year, despite the recent negative weeks. In addition, total AUM has grown to $31.7 billion. Moreover, a number of companies, BlackRock included and WisdomTree included, are lobbying for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Don't miss out on being the first to know what's going on with XRP. Subscribe to our channel and enable push notifications now. Ripple, a payments company embroiled in a legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, has been steadily beefing up its regulatory compliance procedures by registering in new markets. Notably, the corporation was able to add another regulatory license to its increasing roster with the recent acquisition of financial institution Fortress. Remember that at the tail end of last week, Ripple paid an unknown sum to buy Fortress Blockchain Technologies? This change allows Ripple to provide services to clients and businesses in the U.S. state of Nevada, previously serviced by Fortress. About 1% of the United States total population lives in Nevada's 3.1 million citizens. Since Nevada is widely regarded as one of the most crypto-friendly U.S. jurisdictions, it's no surprise that the company made getting a license there a top priority for Ripple. However, recent developments. The 30 money transmitter licenses that Ripple already held in the United States were added to by these new permits. Despite the odds, Ripple has secured a coveted New York BIT license and is committed to full U.S. regulatory compliance. Ripple President Monaco long-termed licenses like the one the company just won in Nevada key facilitators to the offering in a press release. She also voiced hope that with the Fortress acquisition, Ripple would be able to enhance the quality of service provided by its current offerings and investigate potential new ones. Despite the unfavorable state of the market. In May, Ripple purchased Medico, a crypto custody-oriented firm, for a reported $250 million. The Fortress acquisition is the company's second large purchase in the past 5 months. Ripple can now access digital asset custody services thanks to the acquisition of Medico. Given Ripple's concentration on the Nevada Trust license, the Fortress acquisition appears to be more concerned with fiat on-ramps. In addition to holding money transmitter licenses in multiple states, including California, New York, Texas, Florida, Colorado, Kansas, New Mexico, and more, Ripple is also interested in the enterprise blockchain tokenization capabilities provided by Fortress. In addition, John Deaton, inventor of crypto-law in the United States, recently tweeted the regional breakdown of the 75,000 XRP holders. Attorney Deaton claims that the United States continues to dominate the list of countries with the most XRP holdings. He mentioned that 53% of the 75,000 XRP holders are American. Furthermore, the renowned crypto lawyer rated the United Kingdom second in the world. Australians make up the third largest group, according to Attorney Deaton. Cardigan Austria. Australia's lead over Canada has dwindled to just 11 people. After being named a featured speaker at the upcoming XRP Gold Coast 2024 conference, Attorney Deaton made the revelation. When asked about being invited to speak at the upcoming XRP Gold Coast 2024 conference, renowned cryptocurrency legal expert and advocate Mr. John E. Deaton responded, "I could not decline the invitation nor deny myself the opportunity to meet Australian-based XRP holders." To give some background, a Current of Innovation has arranged a conference called XRP Gold Coast 2024. The dates of March 22 to 24, 2024, in Australia have been set as the venue. The organizers claim that the conference will attract a stellar lineup of thought leaders, specialists, financiers, and enthusiasts from around the sector. Attendees will be able to discuss and learn about the state of the XRP ledger ecosystem and blockchain technology. Supported by the legal team at Morgan Mac. The Wave of Innovation team also included Spend the Bits CEO Jay Campbell as one of the keynote speakers for XRP Gold Coast, joining Deacon and top XRP influencer, Crypto Ari. In the SEC versus Ripple case, Attorney Deaton represented 75,000 XRP holders from around the world. Attorney Deaton, in particular, came up with a list soon after Ripple was charged by the SEC for marketing XRP as an unregistered security. Members of the 75K list have been quoted as saying that the crypto sector should count its blessings that these investors have chosen to unify against the SEC, despite the fact that the list played a crucial part in helping Ripple claim that XRP is not a security. The topic of the day is, what are the top 3 scenarios that could cause a price increase in XRP that is comparable to the loss of a victory? If you want to be among the first to know about any XRP-related news, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable push notifications. While XRP has lost over 1.5% in the previous 24 hours and 4.1% in the last week, the XRP community is speculating on variables that could shoot up the value of the asset in a rally similar to the one saw from the Wynn ruling, despite the fact that XRP is currently trading at below 50 cents. Zach Richter, a prominent member of the XRP community, cited 3 major developments in an argument that the XRP price should rise in a recent tweet. A judge has rejected an appeal by the SEC. As a first example, Richter mentioned an upcoming event in the litigation against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. If the regulator's request for permission to appeal the XRP win verdict is denied by a U.S. court, then, he claims, will have a substantial impact on the price of XRP. Note that the SEC is reportedly trying to get approval from the court to appeal the XRP non-security status ruling, as reported by the Crypto Basics. Since parties to a lawsuit often cannot contest a court's findings until the case has concluded, the SEC's decision to move derives from this reality. Meanwhile, should the SEC be approved, Ripple has stated its intention to file counter-challenges for other rulings made by the court. The XRP army is confident that this rejection will be another watershed moment for the cryptocurrency. Deal goes live at U.S. Bank. Richter further claimed that the launch of a Ripple's on-demand liquidity product by a major U.S. financial institution will be a watershed moment for XRP. The community anticipates widespread adoption by U.S. banks after XRP's regulatory status has been clarified. They think this will have an effect on the digital asset's value. It's important to note that the litigation settlement was significantly slowed down by the fact that XRP wasn't initially offered to U.S. institutions. Last but not least, Richter mentioned that a resolution to the legal dispute between Ripple and the SEC might be another driving event. If the case that has been going on for years finally settles, it will be over. Chad, a huge XRP supporter, responded by saying he didn't agree with Richter's assessment. One commenter said that the events I chose to highlight were nothing more than pump and dumps. According to him, XRP's practical applications are what will ultimately drive its price up. In addition, Darren Black, an ex-user who recently participated in an eco-chat, pointed out that utility and retail adoption are the drivers that would propel XRP. According to one poster, a major pump in XRP won't happen until Bitcoin halves. This video has reached its conclusion. Viewers who have found it entertaining should give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to sign up for alerts and pay that fee. See you later, bye.